Ever wondered how to stop coughing without those syrupy medicines? Listen up, that's right folks, we're diving into some of the most unexpected home remedies that can help kick that annoying cough to the curb. First up, dark chocolate. It contains theobromine, which helps suppress the nerves responsible for coughing. Just a square can do the trick. Next, let's talk spices. Ever tried turmeric milk? This golden drink isn't just for your Instagram feed, it's packed with anti-inflammatory properties that soothe your throat and ease your cough. And here's a twist: pineapple juice. It's not just for tropical vacations. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory and mucolytic properties which can break down mucus and relieve coughs. Still reaching for that hot tea? Try adding a dash of honey and ginger to amplify its soothing effects. Honey is an age-old remedy for its antimicrobial properties, while ginger reduces inflammation. I know you may not have thought of this, but